Kami ay mag-bibin store today. So ako muna daw ang masunod today. So sabi ko, sige, mag-bibin store kami. Well, actually, gusto ko yung gawin, but it's really for the business. I really want to kind of see what they have. Bibili ng mga bagong paninda kung meron. And, yun lang. And then after that, we're gonna go grocery shopping. Right?
So you vlog me. I'm going the other way. Going this way. Don't take up too much space.
No.
Oh, you fall down?
Yeah.
No, be careful. Huh? What are you doing?
Andrew, don't step on this, okay? Okay. Make sure. I'll just put it. Unang stop namin ay mga damit. So, ito pa lang yung napili ko. Kasi tingnan nyo, isang terno, $2 lang, di ba? If I have this for my size, I'll buy more. But, 6 lang muna. Kasi $2 isa. Ito ay leggings. No boundaries. 8. Very plain. Ito para sa akin, kahit malaki kasi pang tulog. Ito naman para sa bata. Granny Mouse. Terno ba ito? Magagamit to ni Maya. Ay pants lang. 2X. Ang daming size ah. Large. Kuha tayo ng large. Tumataas yung presyo nila. Habang tumatagal, napapansin ko tumataas yung presyo nila dito. I feel like used to be all $1.
Yeah.
Now most of them are $2.
Yeah.
They're, you know.
Hey, Maya. Hey, mommy, look at the mirror. Circle.
Ooh. How much?
$28.
Oh my god, that's big. 36 inch. It should fit.
If it'll be centered.
No, it's not. Too big. We'll measure next time. They have a lot. Ito naman mga towel. Bibili ako ng towels for my future projects sa kusina. Yung hand towel ba? Mga ano lang. 3. I'll make it 4. Where are you guys?
That thing is barrel slime in the
What is a
video.
32 pack?
What's a barrel slime?
I don't know. It's slime.
And
Yeah.
what's that, Andrew?
Cows. I need to pay that.
For $10? No. Don't buy that. Okay, so it's so annoying that I don't have my favorite bean store anymore. That's not my favorite place. So nung magbabayad na kami, they made me sign
Baby
a paper that says I will not resell the products that I bought from there. So no more reselling from them. Well, first of all, I noticed everything is like more expensive. You know, used to be clothes is only $1, and then they all increased that price, mostly $2 na. So I was like, it's okay, you can still make money from it, you know, just less profit. It's okay, still cheap. But then, yun nga, nung magbabayad na kami, bawal na daw mag-resell. So, we returned, we put all the clothes back. Yung mga bala kong ibenta, binalik talaga namin, hindi ko na binili. Kasi syempre, di ko naman pwedeng i-resell. We purchased a lot of things from before.
Prior.
Yeah, so, and I asked, right?
Yeah.
How about the previous purchases? And she was like, what do you mean? She didn't understand my question. it's only whatever I buy from now.
Yeah.
So it should not include whatever I bought before, right? Oh, so annoying though. I'm so annoyed because I like that store as for reselling. But I think I kind of understand now why it's so cheap. I think they get it from charities.
So,
it's probably a non-profit
yeah,
store.
if you look at the signs around,
yeah,
there it says you can't resell it because it's a 501c something.
Where?
It's like hanging
you
like
saw it somewhere?
yeah.
Oh god.
There's like at checkout, they're like all over the place. You're not supposed to resell. We're 501c3 or something.
Oh.
501c.
So it is a non-profit.
Non-profit, yeah.
So they got it from charity, and that's why you're not supposed to resell. But I haven't seen any sign like that. Hello, friends, ayan, medyo tinanghali tayo kasi kanina after namin mag-almusal, nag-study kami ni Lucas. Ang tagal ng transition ba? Parang medyo na-chill kami. Tas laro sa mga bata. Tas yun, si Maya nagnanap na. So ngayon magpapak na ako, friends. Eto. Na-pull out ko na ang aking mga ipapak. Maraming nail polish, mga sunglasses. Syempre summer, no? Mabenta yan. Blue light blocking glasses. Sunglasses din. And more nail polish. CeraVe cream. Ito pa, dalawang L'Oreal na blush. Isang towelette, hair color stain remover set. Ito pa, mga damit. Ito ay necklace, parang jewelry making stuff. Pokemon necklace, light bulbs. Ito ay mga leggings, swimsuit, pantalon. Tapos ito ay parang jacket na denim. Ito naman ay mga pinggan, boba, na para sa 4th of July dahil mag-July na. So nabenta na siya. Yan ang aking mga ipapak. Bibilisan ko lang kasi ako'y pinapapak ng lamok. Pinapapak ako ng lamok. Oh, talagang nag-spray na ako pero kinakagat pa rin nila ako. Very attractive kasi talaga ako sa mga lamok. Sabi nila sa blood type daw yan or sa sweat. I don't know. Basta ako ay lamukin. Kaya kung napapansin nyo sa mga last vlog ko, hindi ako masyado nag-work dito. Ang work na ginagawa ko is more on dun sa loob ng bahay. Dinadala ko yung trabaho sa loob ng bahay para malayo tayo sa lamok at syempre sa init dahil tag-init na mainit po talaga. Wala kaming aircon dito fan. Pero okay naman din, surviving. Wait, pakita ko pala sa inyo kasi kahapon, 'di ba? Pumunta kami sa Bean Store, yung lagi kong pinupuntahan. Bumibili ako doon, maraming mga personal stuff kasi mura talaga. Sobrang dami nilang murang paninda na bumibili na din ako ng product na pwede kong i-resell. Bean Store ba? Tapos kahapon, ayun nga, pumunta kami at bawal na daw pinapirma ko. Hindi lang ako, lahat ng bumibili, pinapipirma na bawal i-resell yung mga binibili doon. So, ginugol-google ko, 501c pala, is parang nga siyang non-profit organization na kung saan, yung mga product nila is mostly nakukuha lang nila from, charity. So, binibenta nila ng sobrang mura to help people. Parang ganon. So, I understand why. So, yun, hindi na ako doon pwedeng bumili ng pangtinda. Ang problema, meron na akong nabili na pangtinda. Okay, so kagaya nitong mga puzzle na to, nabili ko yan for $1. Ayan, nabili ko yan $1 sa store na yon. Tapos may mga damit. So pinag-iisipan ko ngayon kung ibebenta ko pa ba yan o hindi na. Kasi takot talaga ako mademanda. Lalo na may pinirmahan kami kahapon na, ayun nga, sinasabi ko na hindi ko i-resell yung mga binili ko. Although, yung mga nandito naman, yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo, naman yan, binili ko yan bago ako pumirma. Kung iisipin nyo, parang it should be legal, diba? Parang wala naman siguro silang reason para i-demanda ako. Pero, paranoid ako Alam mo yun, baka sabihin, alam mo na nga paranoid ako, takot ako sa mga demandahan. Dahil dito nga sa Amerika ay uso ang demandahan. So, sabi ko, pull out ko na lang yung mga paninda na yan. Kaysa mag-isip pa ako na mag-isip, diba? Sabi ko nga, I always want to run my business ng malinis. I love my business. So, gusto ko siyang i-keep clean. Diba, kahit yung mga pagbabayad sa taxes, ganyan, we always do it right. Or legal, parang ganon. So, ito nga, ipupull out ko yung mga binili ko from that Bean Store Tapos, ipapadala ko na lang sa Pilipinas. Ipapadonate ko na lang doon. Pamigay sa mga kapatid ko, pamangkin, sa mga kamag-anak or whatever. Bahala na sila. Basta ibibigay ko na lang yun. Kasi nung kinumpute ko siya kahapon, nasa ano lang din naman, $100. A little over $100. Yung mga natitirang products. $100 lang din naman. Sabi ko, ipapadonate ko na lang, ipapamigay ko na lang kaysa mag-isip ako na mag-isip na para bang may takot ako na nasa listing, naka-public yung aking mga listing sa eBay, baka makita nila, 'di ba? Yung takot ko ba na baka makita nila tapos isipin nila na idemanda dahil may pinirmahan nga kasi ako. Kumbaga parang I don't know, just to be safe, 'di ba? Medyo OA kasi I'm just a small business. Hindi naman na siguro nila ako pag-aaksayahan ng panahon at pera. Pero, di ba, you never know. And that's why we also have insurance for our business. Business insurance. Hindi pwedeng wala to be safe. Yung iba doon, actually, karamihan nung nakikita kong bumibili dun sa bean store, hindi sila online nagbebenta. Nagbebenta sila sa flea market. Kumbaga physical, meron silang mga stores din, ganyan. So, sila parang walang risk kasi walang masyadong digital evidence. Ako kasi online, 'di ba? Kumbaga naka-public lahat ng aking mga paninda. So, madali nilang i-search pagka nakita nila, 'di ba? Actually, sabi nga ng asawa ko, kung yung ibang tao nga dyan na pumirma sa store, malamang dyan, hindi naman nila nilalagay yung totoo nilang pangalan, diba? Dun sa pinapirmahan. Baka nga hindi naman nila nilagay. Pero sabi ko, ayoko naman na wag ilagay yung totoo kong pangalan kasi syempre may camera, alam nyo na, sa panahon ngayon, madaling mapatunayan na pinake ko yung pinirmahan ko. O, diba? Again, mapahamak na naman dahil nag-fake ka ng name dun sa pinapirmahan sa'yo. So, anyway, paranoid lang ako. But, again, it's just a way of me protecting our business, my business, sa mga ganyang demandahan. Oh, guys, scare me. Oh, she's crying.
She won't stop crying until she come outside.
You want the mommy? You want the mommy? She scared me. Oh, mommy. Do you want to do this? It's just sunglasses now, so it's perfect now.
Sure.
That's why I put it last because. So this one is 536. So, my husband will take over because Maya wants some mommy. So,
all these?
Yep. 7 eyewear.
Sure.
Okay, Daddy will take over. You're on vlog. Alright, bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Killed 2 Democrats and a controversy over his manifesto. And this says police order, etc., etc. In this political, take a look at the news. We have this from NBC alludes to the demonstration as a bystander and was not the intended target of gunfire. Police motor squad reported hearing gunshots at 7:56. Now, I think a keyboard and social media getting shot at the Salt Lake City. And then we have this from Tyler Hansen. Taylor Hansen was part of the stories that were put out.
Alright, just gotta go inside and get one more thing. I sold a can dispenser. Don't have connectors or a little instruction paper, so I'm gonna go inside and get it, and then we'll be done. So bye.
Right there. Looking strong. Oops.
See what this is.
Should I get bigger?
Yeah, he's trying to get stronger.
Ang ingay ni Maya. Ang ingay ni Maya, nanonood Nanonood kami ng gymnastics. Ayan, pabalik na kami. Hindi, kagagaling lang namin sa gymnastic class ni Lucas. Hindi kami usually sumasama. Si Ryan lang yung sumasama sa kanya kasi medyo malayo, hindi naman talaga namin napapanood. Tapos ang kulit pa ni Andrew, di ba? Pero ngayon sumama kami dahil gusto ni Andrew. So, ayun, masaya naman. Gusto ko din na panoorin si Lucas in person. So, na-videoan ko naman konti. Pero ang layo niya dun sa waiting area ng mga parents. Tapos, ang ingay ni Maya. She was like, screaming a lot. It's almost like I want to walk out. Kasi naiiya ako, may mga tumitingin. Ang ingay naman ng baby mo. Kaya lang, ang init naman din sa labas. Tag-init nga kasi. So, nililibang ko siya para di siya masyadong tumili dun sa mga gymnast na nasa harapan namin. Natutuwa siya eh. Anyway, we're going for dinner. Hindi na ako nagluto. Kasi hindi ako nakapagluto since sumama ako sa kanila sa class, diba? So, wala kaming dinner. Kaya kakain kami sa labas. Mag-sushi kami. Yeah? Who requested sushi?
I want sushi! Yes! I want mommy.
You want sushi too?
No. Yeah, I want some french fries.
You want french fries?
Yeah, some soda.
Soda.
I really like it if they still have the California roll.
California roll. I'm sure they have. Favorite ni Lucas, California roll. Oh.
I want some food too.
Yeah, of course.
I want a volcano too, Mom.
Volcano roll. That's mommy's favorite, the volcano roll. No, Andrew don't really like sushi. He would love the French fries and soda. How about Daddy? What's your favorite?
Wasabi.
Wasabi. So there's like a big accident here. Mo-traffic kami kasi sobrang daming fire truck at mga ambulance. So mukhang may malaking aksidente dito sa harapan namin. So makikichismis tayo what happened.
Somebody might have crossed the median. Over here.
That's yeah. Oh man. It is big.
Yeah.
So yung isang sasakyan kanina, they crossed the median. Parang ano yan, I think that's like how big or how wide is the median. It's like 5 cars maybe.
Yeah. So they went like...
Yeah, from the other lane, opposite lane, nag-drive sila right. Parang mga 7 lanes. So, but there's only like 1 car, right? That
maybe 2. Maybe he hit somebody crossing.
I didn't see any other car.
Maybe.
May isang sasakyan lang naman. So wala siguro sila. Pero grabe yung sira ng sasakyan. I almost don't want to look because I'm scared to see, you know, people hurt really bad. Pero mukhang wala namang nasaktan ng todo. I didn't see the driver though.
I'm pretty sure it was the guy that they were talking to that was standing up.
Yeah, it looks like a
Sure.
kid. But also you see, I won't say this is a small accident. But did you see how many ambulance and fire truck was coming? There's like at least 5.
Yeah.
So parang nung nakita ko yung mga
And
fire
there was
truck.
military police just on.
So parang 5 to 7 na mga sasakyan, ambulansya, fire truck, ganyan. Pero parang isang sasakyan lang naman yung nabangga. So I don't know. I want the
Daddy, that cake is for real?
this is raw. See, Fayetteville roll. That's new. But you see at the bottom it says raw and spicy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there, California.
No, I want to buy that.
You're gonna get
I'll get 2 again.
I'll get one.
Get it. Whoa, Lucas' favorite. It's really his favorite. How many you ate already?
8. That's 4. And I ate 2 already.
So he's gonna eat 8 more?
Yeah, so I'm gonna eat 16.
Oh my god. They want sauce or something.
You should close your window or something.
Yeah. I think mine is gonna be next. That's my favorite.
Mommy, walk the window.
Yeah, but it's empty. See? It's empty.
Spicy. It's spicy.